This is Cammie, one movie every day, 365 days. Do I have something in my teeth? God, what is in there? Can I get one for Ladybird, please? I like to call her Swarcy. No, her name is Saoirse. I learned that on Ellen. She's amazing. What an incredible actress. What a great American accent, too. She's from Ireland. Laurie Metcalf. I love her in everything she does. The sun is so bright. I'm gonna walk this way, and now I'm gonna walk this way, and maybe this way. Now I can't see. Better. Laurie Metcalf. Love her. I want to be her when I grow up. Oh, her timing is impeccable. Now I'm walking in circles. I don't know where I'm going. Tracy Letts. Lucas Hedges, who's in everything right now. This coming of age story about a girl who's in high school in Sacramento takes you back to all the awkwardness of high school. Flash forward and you're that adult with teenage kids. I could relate on both sides. Greta Gerwig, amazing job. Touching and sweet and sad and painful and awkward and quirky and truthful. This is one of those movies that's gonna stick with me and I'm gonna keep thinking about. Oh, I just thought of a question. If you could go back to high school, knowing what you know now, would you go? Think carefully about your answer and then put your comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, follow along with me on my MoviePass adventure. One movie every day, 365 days. I'm becoming part of your daily routine. I know you can't live without me.